PC Miscellaneous, bringing you the best unboxing, reviews, and other related videos.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Michael, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about mechanical keyboards. So first off, I just want to explain to you what a mechanical keyboard is. So it's going to be different from your typical keyboard, which would be considered a rubber dome. So let me just show you what it looks like. So the actual keys on mechanical keyboards, you can actually remove them. You can remove them with rubber domes as well, but this is a lot easier and it's a lot more customizable and easier to maintain and clean. So right here is a switch. That is what makes it a mechanical keyboard, the actual switch. So on this keyboard, this one features Cherry MX black key switches. Now, Cherry is a switch company that makes mechanical switches not only for keyboards but for industrial things as well. But I'm just going to talk about the keyboard switches today. So Cherry MX has four main color switches. So they have blue, brown, red, and black. Now, blue key switches, which is probably the most popular key switch among mechanical keyboards, are tactile and clicky. So when you press the key button down, you hear it click, and then you feel a bump, which is perceived to be better for typing and not so much gaming. But some people do like the blues for gaming, but it is all preference. So now on to brown, which is another tactile key switch. Tactile meaning when you press the key down, you feel a bump, you feel it actuate. So when you press it down halfway, you'll feel a bump, and that just lets you know that the key has been actuated, so you don't have to bottom out the key. Now, so browns are a little bit lighter than the blues, meaning it's easier to press, it's more sensitive. Excuse me. And the browns don't have that clicky tactile like audio feedback, so it doesn't make a clicky sound. It's a little more quiet than the blue, whereas the blue would be click 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 every time you actuate. Now on to the red. The red is a linear switch, meaning no matter how far you push down on the key, so you can push down all the way, you won't feel that bump. Now this is said to be better for gaming because it's easier to double press or anything like that. It's like it'll respond better, and it's just more natural to the fingers when you're gaming. So now the reds are similar to the blacks. Now the blacks are the same thing, it's linear, so there's no tactile bump, except that it's a lot more stiff than red. So if you're a light-handed typist, I suggest going with the reds just because they're more sensitive. They don't require a lot of force to push down. Now if you're someone like me who likes to mash on their keys, I like the black. So it's a little bit more stiff than the blue, so I kind of like it. I like it for typing too, and I like it for gaming, so it's really stiff. I'm a heavy-handed typist, so I like to push down all the way. For every person that I've come across that has purchased a mechanical keyboard, they have said, man, this has helped my typing by at least like 10 to 20%, meaning I've seen people go from like 80 words per minute to like all the way up to 100 and 110 words per minute. Now that is insane, just from going from a crappy keyboard to a mechanical keyboard. Not only will you feel the difference, it'll last you a long time. So mechanical keyboards are built with durability. So if you see this one here, like there's no flex to it. There's no flex. It's really solid. I mean, this thing actually, it weighs a couple pounds. Like, I want to say 1 or 2 pounds just for a keyboard. And that's only because it's not just plastic. Under the plastic there's a metal plate that holds the keys together, and every switch is soldered on there, so you know it's really high quality. So not only does it feel good, it'll last you for a really long time. It won't break, it won't wear out. Another cool thing is they come in many different varieties of layouts and colors. So you can see this one is a camouflage, and it doesn't have a number pad. I don't like the number pad because it interferes with my mouse movement, and I always bonk the side of my keyboard, so I like it short I like it small, straight to the point. I like the little camel print, adds a little character to the keyboard. You can also get different colored keycaps. You can get blank keycaps. I mean, the possibilities are endless. So, yeah, mechanical keyboards are the shit. Also, another thing with mechanical keyboards is you can get a PS2 adapter or a PS2 to USB adapter, and you can get N-key rollover, which is not featured on most membrane keyboards. So that meaning you have better anti-ghosting just because you can press any key on the keyboard simultaneously or at the same time. So if you press every single key, it'll actuate every single key. Like if you're gaming, sometimes you notice like if you're using more than 6 keys at once, it'll like not register the 7th key or the 6th key, and that gets really annoying. So with these keyboards you won't have that problem. So also another thing is delay. Sometimes keyboards have a little bit of delay, and when you press the key it doesn't really actuate right away. So with these keyboards there is no delay, so that it is straight on to the point. Keyboards are sharp. So yeah, basically if you're looking for best performance, best durability, and you want to improve your overall typing and gaming experience, I highly suggest looking into mechanical keyboards. Thanks for watching my video, guys. And be sure to subscribe. See you guys later.